Hey everybody, today I've got a 2011 Mazda 3, and the problem with this car here was when the window would roll up, it would hit the top and then it would roll down about halfway and stop. And I tried to reprogram it, and the way you reprogram it is you push and hold the down button for over 5 seconds and you'll physically hear the door go click, and then you roll it all the way up and you hold it until you hear it go click again, and that should reset it. I tried that like 10 times with this window and it didn't work. And there was also another problem with this window, that one of the bolts fell out for the glass. I put the bolt back in the glass and I had the switch unplugged. After I unplugged the switch, I reprogrammed it and now it works. It rolls all the way down and stops, and you do the automatic rolling and it goes up and it stops. So if you have one that you can't get programmed, unplug the switch for about 5 minutes, plug the switch back in, and then reprogram it, and hopefully it'll take care of your problem of the window hitting the uppermost part and coming down. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.